And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the north on 13th Street there, just showing you the road conditions. That was really wet snow and it melted really fast. But what hasn't melted is the ice at the NMAX Center. And I have tickets to give away, just one pair for this Wednesday's game for the Hurricanes. So as soon as I'm finished with weather, you can start calling in. But remember, if you're still calling at 6 o'clock, chances are that the tickets have been given away already. There's the number on the screen. I'm going to step out of the screen right now and just let you take a little peek at what the current conditions are. We're not doing too bad, all in all. Temperature-wise, we're right on the freezing mark. It feels warmer than that because we had a fair amount of sunshine today. Calling it partly cloudy right now. Winds are still out of the northwest. They weren't really strong today. Our barometric pressure is steady. It was dropping before, but it has stabilized somewhat, so that's good news. Temperatures all over, reflecting the fact that we are still in that northwesterly flow at the surface. Up top, we have winds out of the west, southwest already, and we are going to see clearing trend moving in from the southwest. Area of high pressure is going to lock nicely into southern Alberta for a couple of days, and that will generate a warmer flow out of the California coastal area. That's why numbers, well, you'll see them in the 5-day forecast. They're pretty spectacular for this time of year, and we'll be enjoying those for a couple of days, and then reality will once again enter our lives as we head towards the end of the work week. So forecasters showing right now we've got that breakup of the cloud cover. The system that gave us the snow has pushed off. The majority of it is heading towards North Dakota right now. It has really moved rather quickly, and that snow was very, very wet, not the same kind of dense snow that you get in December and January. It's already starting to turn into that spring-like snow. As we get into tomorrow, we'll still be seeing that rain-snow combination in higher elevations, especially north of the Revelstoke area into the Prince George area. They'll be seeing that. And things should be looking pretty good tomorrow for you folks in Cranbrook and areas like that into Creston for one day. And then you're going to start to see that snow regenerate itself. -2 degrees in St. John's. We have some warnings out for heavy rainfall along the mouth of the St. Lawrence and down through some of the tributaries through there. And then northern Ontario through the Nickel Belt, looking at some snowfall warnings in the south of Ontario, looking at rainfall warnings. -6 in Winnipeg, -5 and, well, double -5s, Regina and Saskatoon, 1 degree in Edmonton. Pretty quiet out west here. There was some blowing snow in Saskatchewan earlier today. -3 in Whitehorse right now, and -17 degrees. And both of those areas saw a little bit of sunshine break through in the earlier hours today. East Kootenay overnight tonight, you're looking at partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, mainly cloudy with that chance of showers, maybe some flurries in the mix as well. As your temperature rises to 8, that activity will turn to shower activity. Few clouds tonight for you folks in the pass. -9 for a low, 10 degrees for a high tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies with a fair amount of sunshine. Medicine Hat, partly cloudy tonight down to -8, 6 degrees for a high tomorrow with a sun and cloud mix. And yes, it'll be windy. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight down to -8, up to 9 degrees tomorrow. Our winds will be gusting to 60 kilometers per hour in the afternoon. There's your 5-day forecast, and you can see those temperatures. And I'm not kidding. I'm being conservative. I'm putting 13 degrees as a daytime high for Wednesday. So the area of high pressure moves up. We pick up that warmer air, and then it starts to collapse late into Thursday, and you saw the numbers for towards the end of the week there. So winter-like conditions do return to us. Well, we're still technically in winter after all. And there's your record temperatures. And for you trivia buffs out there that were wondering, what were we doing on this day in 1992? On this day, we were looking at 20 degrees as our daytime high. So it feels very warm today, but not as warm as it was in 1992 on this day. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone. See you tomorrow.